Today I make a fire, try a new technique, fail with it, cook a whole chicken, chop, and enjoy the result.
That is fan freaking tastic. Today I'm out cooking some chicken, hopefully. It's a rainy day and I've been walking maybe for an hour to get here, so I'm really sweaty already, but let's dig into it. So let's try to get some suitable sticks first. I will be cooking a whole chicken over the fire, so I need something to make the stand and to put through the chicken. This tree could be suitable. Let's try cutting it up. So today I really just need the fire to get going really quickly. So I have, of course, some cotton with me and then some type of fire starters because I think the chicken will need to be cooked for like 2 hours. So yeah, no time to spill, so to say. That turned out quite good, I would say. Now it's time to make this thinner so it can fit into the new gap that I made. Yep, that's good enough. Okay, let's try to get these into the ground. They are a bit thick, but hopefully they can be quite stable anyway. So the ground is a bit frozen. I think I will be needing to get some smaller sticks in order to be able to do this. Well, you live and learn. I had some luck, so I found some smaller dead trees nearby, so I'll use these instead. Yeah, voila. So it's quite low, so I have to use the coals and move the fire a bit. And then let's start cooking. Okay, so let's prepare the chicken. So that's a big chicken. Let's put this barbecue glaze on top of the chicken. It's already marinated in it, but let's put some more on it. So at the moment I don't have enough coal to put it on top here and around it, because I need to focus on the chicken. And the coal needs to be under the chicken as much as possible. But the potatoes will probably be finished when the chicken is done as well. A reminder to myself in the future: go out a lot earlier. Because when cooking a chicken, and it should take about 2 hours, then I can't start when the lunch is supposed to be done. Yeah, but it will probably be dinner at least.
this is the first time I'm doing this type of cooking, so I have a probe with me, so I can check the temperature and be sure it's safe to eat. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so it's 58 degrees here, and in the middle it's basically 45. Here under we have 50. Yeah, it's quite a long way left. Let's probe it again, see where we are. 65 degrees in the breast. Let's see here. Yeah, we're getting closer. The chicken thighs. Oh, they're probably done already. Yeah. 80 degrees. Wow. So I believe the potatoes are done. Now it's only to wait for the chicken. 70 degrees. So 4 more degrees. We are very close now. Yeah, it's quite different temperatures here on different parts, but this whole chicken is for me, so I can eat the parts that are at the right temperature right now. Fantastic. So let's get the chicken off here on the cutting board. Choop! Nice. I will also be doing an experiment while I eat. So the stick is quite green, but I will see how easy it can burn off if I have the fire right under it. Okay, so let's start cutting to the chicken breast. Yeah, that looks really nice and juicy. Skin is so crunchy. I don't have to do this perfectly because it is a lot of chicken. The thighs here, or the bones. Let's have some of these potatoes as well. They look really nice. I'm extremely hungry right now. It's close to 5 p.m. Okay, so let's try the chicken. Oh, that is fan-freaking-tastic. It's extremely juicy. Oh, wow. Probably the best outdoor food I had so far. And the skin, yeah. Yeah, and I also have an ice cold beer with me. Yeah, this will be very good. Yeah, cheers. Let's try the leg as well. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, let's try wing as well. It doesn't matter that it's a bit burnt on the side. So as you can see, the green wood basically was only a bit blackened, so it doesn't burn at all. So it is very good to use when cooking and not wanting it to get on fire. So I'm stuffed. It's getting dark, so I really need to get going. But thank you for watching.